If you want to monitor your frame rate while playing Steam games, recording tutorials, or testing performance in 3D apps, then enabling the FPS counter is one of the easiest things you can do. It gives you a quick, live look at how smoothly your system is running, and it can help you spot performance drops before they become a problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the FPS counter in Steam games, and I'll also point out a simple pro tip that makes it much easier to read on screen. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that little button and make sure to subscribe for more practical software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner and click Steam. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This opens the main Steam settings panel, where you can adjust everything from interface options to in-game display settings. Now, on the left-hand side, find and click the In-Game tab. This section controls the features that appear while you're actually playing a game through Steam. Here, you'll see several options related to the overlay and performance display. Scroll down until you find the in-game FPS counter drop-down menu. This is the setting that controls where the frame rate number appears on your screen. Click the drop-down and choose the location you want. You can place it in the top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right corner, depending on what works best for your game or workflow. If you want the counter to be visible without getting in the way, most people choose a corner that stays clear during gameplay. After choosing the position, take a look at the high contrast color checkbox. This is a very useful option, especially if you're recording gameplay, working in bright environments, or using software with a lot of light backgrounds. When you enable high contrast color, the FPS text becomes much easier to read, and in many cases it appears in a bright green color that stands out clearly against the screen. If you're doing technical tutorials, 3D design work, or any kind of performance testing, that extra visibility can make a big difference. Once you've selected your preferred corner and turned on high contrast if needed, the setting is saved automatically. Now just launch any Steam game and you should see the FPS counter appear in the corner you selected. It's a simple, lightweight way to keep track of performance without installing extra software. And if you ever want to change it later, just come back to the same in-game settings and pick a different position or turn the feature off entirely. Steam also gives you a more detailed performance monitor in 2026. But if all you need is a quick and easy frame rate readout, the basic FPS counter is usually the best place to start. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for keeping an eye on how your PC is handling games, recording, and demanding tasks. So now you know how to enable the FPS counter in Steam games in just a few seconds. If this video helped, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.